I'm Mohishurat, where we are discussing about that our topic is that magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field is our topic, but I just revise of the previous lectures. So what we are discussing about that? So see here, recall how there are the two kind of electric charge, positive and the negative charge, like repel. Likes are repels and opposites are attract. Now similarly, there are the two kind of magnetic poles, north pole and a south pole. The like poles repel and opposite poles attract to each other. So there are the basic difference are there. Okay, likes are repel and like poles are repel to each other and opposite poles are the attract to each other. The same things are there also there. So see here, this is our magnetic field are the magnetic. We are discussing about the bar magnet. Now see here, suppose there are the there are the in this phenomena also there are two repel to each other, and in this phenomena it is attract to each other. Similarly at here, whenever we are putting at this side, this type on that type, it will be a rebel to each other, and here it will be a attract to each other. So this is the basic things are there. Now here there is an important difference between the magnetism and electricity. It is possible to have a isolate plus or minus electric charge, but isolate north pole and south pole have never been observed. See here, there are the and or s or n, it is in the separate, it is not possible, but in the electricity it is a possible to negative charge is separated and positive charge is separated. Suppose we have the if you are doing the your magnet has a both n and s pole, no matter how many times you chop it up. Okay, so what is that? If you are chop it up, so see here, it is become a ns. Okay, it is become a n as again s to n and to as resistance are the, sorry, it's not resistor, it's a magnetic fields are there. So see here, this is a, if the magnet has both and an as pole, no matter how many times you chop it up. Okay, so this will be again and again it will become a N to S resistor, N to N to S magnetism, and also S to N magnet are there. So see here, now we are discussing about the magnetic field. So the earth has a associated with the magnetic field with the poles near the geographic poles. Okay, with the poles of near the geographic poles. See here, there are the two poles are there. So the pole of the magnet attract earth north geographic pole is a magnet's north pole. Okay, geographic pole is magnet is the magnet's north pole. Okay, see here, this is our north pole, and also then after what is that? The pole of magnet attract to the earth south geographic pole is the magnet south pole. Okay, geographic earth, there are the geographic pole, but basic difference is that it's a geographic poles are there. So just we use the electric field help us to explain and the visualize electric force in space. We use the magnetic field of X to use explain and visualize the magnetic force in a space. So see here, the magnetic field point in the same directions that the north pole of a compass would point. So later I will give the better definitions of magnetic field directions. But just here we are discussing about that the magnetic field lines are tangent to the magnetic field. The more magnetic field lines in a region in a space, the stronger the magnetic fields are there. So the outside is the magnetic field line point away from N to S poles. Okay, N to N poles. So why the north N pole of a compass would want to get to the south poles of the magnet. So see here, for those of you who aren't going to pay attention until you have been told the secret behind the naming the Earth magnetic poles. So the north pole of a compass needle is defined as the end that point towards the geographic Santa Claus North Pole, which expert in the field of geomagnetism cell, the geomagnetic north or earth north magnetic poles. Okay, it is that earth magnetic pole. If you think about it, the people to whom compass means the most sailors define the magnetic north as the direction, the north pole of their compass needle point. So their life depend on the working knowing where they were. So I guess it appropriate that we enclose their precedence. So thus, by the convention, the things we call the Earth north magnetic pole is actually the south magnetic pole of the Earth magnetic fields. For those of you who are normal humans, just ignore the above. Okay, so thus the convention of that the things are we call the Earth north magnetic pole is actually the south magnetic poles of the Earth magnetic field. So due to this phenomena, because we know about that the like poles are repel to each other and opposite opposite are attract to each other. So see here, here the pictures of the magnetic field of a bar magnet using iron filling to the map out the field. See here, this is the field magnetic fields are there, and it is our bar magnet. The magnetic field out the remind you of the earth fields. So see here, we use the symbol of view of the for a magnetic field. Remember the magnetic field lines point away from the north poles and toward the south poles. Okay, so it is coming from the north pole and it is going inside the south poles. So the SI unit of the magnetic field is the Tesla. So 1 Tesla it is equals to 1 kg per coulomb into second. This unit comes from the magnetic force equations which appears three slides from now. So in a bit we will see how the units are related to the other quantity know about that we know about, and later in the course we will see the official definition of unit of the magnetic field. So still sometime use 1 goes it is equals to 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. It is a old unit, still sometimes use 1 goes it is equals to 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. We have in the we are the there are we have lots of time use the 1 gauss. So the Earth magnetic field has a magnitude of roughly zero point 0.5 Gauss or a 0.0000 sorry 0.00005 Tesla. A powerful permanent magnet like the kind you might find headphones might produce a magnetic field of 100 G or a zero point 0.1 T Tesla. So the electromagnet is the basement of the physics that my student used to use in experiment can be produce the field of 26,000 Gauss or 26 kg Gauss or 2.6 Tesla are also there. So now the superconducting magnet can be produce a field of over 10 Tesla never get near the operating superconducting magnet while wearing the watch or belt buckle with the iron in it. So this much we are discussing in these lectures. So in this lecture we will discussing about this much this only one topic. So the magnetic field lines. Okay, the magnetic field line. So this is the today's our topic are there. So if any kind of problems, if any kind of you can't understand anything in these lectures, then comment in the comment box. So please guys pay attention in lectures. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.